Are you ever going to say that again? Don't you even dare talk about it anymore. If you say that again, you're going to get more beating than before. Now go to the camera. Say the truth. Guys, this is the only truth. He's very weak.
You serious?
Yeah, this is the truth.
Oh, no, no, no.
What? Ah! What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Get Noises with Syed. I'm Syed over here. Today we are going to be doing Common Fraction. This is going to be the 8th part of Common Fraction. What can I do? I'm also getting bored, man. This is such a long chapter. However, let's get right into the video. Guys, as part to my realization, I just understood. We finished fractions already. Now we are going to start decimal. So this is going to be the first part of decimal. So let me show you guys. Like now in decimal, the first thing you need to learn is like uh, there are like many things. Decimal fractions, like decimal part. So first let's learn those. Okay, let me write them on the board. Yeah, guys. So the meaning of decimal fraction is fraction whose denominator is 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called the decimal fraction. Now let me give you guys an example. Say for example, 12 by 10, actually 12 by 100 or 75 by 1000. These are all decimal fraction. Okay, these two are decimal fraction because these two digits, 1000 and 100, are in the denominator's place. So if these two digits are in the denominator's place, then these are called decimal fraction. I hope you guys understood this. Now let's move on to the next definition. Yeah, guys. So now what are decimals? Now when we write a decimal fraction, those decimal fractions, using a decimal point, say 0.12, sorry 0.12, 0.015, what I showed you in the previous example, are called decimal numbers when they are wrote in decimal form like this, called decimal numbers or simply decimal. Now what is a decimal point? These point like when we write 0.12, this point over here in the middle is called decimal point. I hope you guys understood. Now let's move on to the next one. Here guys, so now say for example 4.398, after decimal everything is written 4.398. Okay, has two parts, whole number part and decimal part. Now the 4 is the whole number part. This 4 is the whole number part and 0.398 is the decimal part. I hope you guys understand. These you guys actually need to like understand most probably. Now let's move on to some exercises. So I'm going to show you guys some sums. Later I'm going to give you exercises. And the exercises are going to be given by my brother. And yep, let's go. Hey guys, now in the exam there is a high chance they will give these type of questions for decimal. Say 4 tens equal to what? 700 equal to what? Now 110,000 equal to what? Now let me teach you guys this. Now there is written 4 tens. That means it's 10. So it will be written like this. 0.10. 4 decimal form. Now 7 hundredths. Now if you write 7 hundredths in the fraction form, C, 700, there are two zeros, one digit. Okay, so this digit will occupy 10. The 1 is the decimal, the 7 will occupy 10, the other 0 will be in front of 7 after the decimal. So like this, 0.07. The point 1 becomes the point 0.07. Okay, same with 4, you can also do that, but that is too obvious to understand. Now 110 thousands, 10 thousands. So 100, 10 thousands. Now see, uh, hmm, hmm. Actually, no, guys, I made a mistake in this one. This is wrong. Now, actually, this one is actually a tricky one. So that is 110,000. No, it is not 110,000. No, it is not like that. It is 110,000. 110,000. So this is in one group, this is another group. That was my bad, I made a mistake. So it will be 110 by 1000. 1, 2, 3. There will be like no cutting zeros or anything. It was my bad. I'm sorry for that. So 1 becomes the decimal. That 3 digit 3 space. So they will occupy every single zero. So our answer will be 0.110. This is our answer. It was my mistake. I'm really sorry for that. I hope you guys understand this. This is actually like a tricky question, so hope you guys understand this. Whatever. So this is, I hope this is clear to you guys. Now let's move on to the next question. Okay guys, now they will give you guys question like this. Write the following in decimal form. 135 by 1000, 2, 3 by 10, 71, 11 by 1000. So these are actually very easy. So like I said, 3 digits, 3 zeros. So 1 will become the decimal, 0.135. This is the answer of this. Now time for this one. Actually, I have to convert it into improper fraction first. 23 by 10. Now since there is only one space for each digit, 2 will come outside the decimal. So 2.3 will be our answer. Same with this, 1700. So this will be something like this. 111, right? Huh? Wait. Okay. So 71.11. Our answer. I hope you guys understand these three. You can see it properly. Okay. So now let's move on to the next question. Yeah, guys. So now they will give you question like write the following in decimal fraction form. So this is also very easy. There's nothing hard. So write this first. Now cut the decimal. See, cut the decimal like this. Cut the decimal. Draw a line. How many digits? 2. After decimal 2 digits. So our answer will be 19 by 100. If the decimal is removed, so the number is coming 0.019. There is no value of 0. And after decimal, there is 2 digits. So it will be 19 by 100. Now say 0.51. So the same thing, 0, cut the decimal, 51. How many digits? 2. 1, 2. So our answer will be 51 by 100. Now 0.075. Same thing. Cut the decimal. 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3. So our answer will be 75 by 1000. There is no point of writing the 0 in front. 75 by 1000. I hope you guys understand these three. These all are very easy. There is nothing difficult if you guys understand it. Now let's move on to the next one. Here guys, now they will give you question like write in words. This we have to write it in words. Nothing challenging. 0 decimal, or you can write point also. 0.05. So you can write 0 decimal 05 or 0.05. It's up to you. You can write both, but I prefer you write 0 decimal. Now it's up to you what your teacher will teach you guys, but better you write 0 decimal. Now they will also give you reverse form. Say 0 decimal 05. You have to write it 0.05, 0.005, 0.005. They'll give you guys question like this. So now let's go for the exercise. Are you ready, bro? Yeah. Let's go. Yes. So guys, your exercises are ready. Now one tricky question I gave. Now hopefully you can all do this. It's just not that hard as well if you guys understand the question. First, let's go with number one. But first, copy these questions in your copy and try to do it by yourself at home first. Try to do it. You can pause the video as well. No problem. Now, if you have done all this, you can pause the video and copy the question. So, in number one, 12 and 500. Sorry guys, at the end of the video my mic just got off for some reason, that's why I was not audible. So if I hope you guys understand that, copy this question, try to do it at home. Now one thing, this thing will not actually be the answers. The answer will be, since they say 500, the answer will be 05. Okay, they did not say 500, that we will write 500. Say 500 DTHs. So answer will be 12.05. Now next question, write in decimal form. First, convert it into improper fraction. 5016, if I am not wrong, by 1000. Okay. Now we have to write it in decimal form. 3 digits. So our answer will be 5.016. This will be our answer. Now write in decimal fraction 0.149. Okay. What sound is that? Yeah guys, whatever. Now write in decimal fraction 0.149. So over here 0.149, just as we did, remove the decimal 149. How many digits? 3. 1, 2, 3. The answer will be 149 by 1000. Now write the number which are 2 tens, 3 hundredths, 1 tenths and 3 ones. Now 2 tens means 2, 3 hundredths, leave this for the last. I am showing you it. 2 tens means 2, 3 ones means 3. So this is 23. Now after decimal the number becomes hundredths, tens, something like that. So 3 hundredths and 1 tenth. So it will be something like 1 for 1 tenth is occupying 1 0 of 10. So from 1 300. So there are 2 zeros. 1 is occupying one of the zeros of 100 and so it will be 3. So I hope you guys understand. If there is any problem, make sure to comment in the video. And our final answer is 23.13. So if you guys answer all these, then answer are obviously absolutely correct. Last one, most of you might get stuck if you have not done. So yeah, let's end the video right here and peace out. Yay! Yay!